Okay, step yang ketiga, third step is to expand this. Okay. Okay, kalau tengok step 3 adalah sini step 3. Okay, so expand the yd, y minus t. So yd, y minus t, jadi saya tunjuk kat sini yd. Okay, saya step 3 sini. Saya nak bagi step by step procedure to. Okay, so we have s minus 600 plus 0.2 yd. So you have this 600 plus 0.2 y minus t. So you have 600 plus 0.2 y minus tg minus small ty plus up. So it's actually 0.2 y minus tg. How much is tg? Tg 400. So 400 40 here. Small t is 0.25. Jadi kita dapat sini minus 0.05 y. So r equal to 200. Sini 40. Okay, it's simply sama dengan this one. Okay, simply sama. Okay, and then you solve. Bila solve, kita dapat s equal to 640 minus 640 plus 0.25 y. Is that your saving? Okay. Okay, now we want to derive leakage function. So we know that w equal to s plus t. So you have the saving here, minus 640 plus 0.15 y. Okay, simply similar this one and this one. So t is 400 plus 0.25 y minus r equal to 200. This one. Okay. So you need to solve it. So you have this one. 1, 2, 3. You have 440. So you have the answer here, minus 440. Okay. Plus 0.4 y. 0.4 y. Okay. Correct. 440.4 y. So this is your leakage function. So how much the leakage? Okay, how much the leakage? You know that injection equal to leakage. So J inject. Sorry. we know that injection equal to leakage. Okay, injection to equal to leakage. So we know that leakage is 0.4y. That's leakage. The injection is I plus G equal to, okay, see the information given, IG, okay, IG 750 plus G. I forgot the G. So simply want to when okay, that's your injection, and this also equal to leakage. Okay, now we want to calculate national income equilibrium. So we may use the JW approach because injection leakage approach, or we can use the AEY approach. Okay, based on what we have calculated above, it's based on JW approach. Say okay, so J equal to 1250, the leakage is equal to 440 minus 440 plus 0.4y. So you have this information here. Alright, so you have this information there. So you have the 0.250 plus 440 minus 0.4 equal to y. So that's your national income equilibrium. So your answer is 4225. Okay, that's your answer. 4225. So you need to refer back to the so it's a, it could be a billion, it could be million, and it's up to the question. So it's, if the information given is in million, so 4225 is a million. Okay, it's in our ringgit Malaysia, so in ringgit Malaysia. So it's up to the question. Alright, so this JW approach, you can use the different approach, which is AEY approach, which is AE. Remember the AE? So we just calculate AE. Alright, this AE, this is your AE. Okay, 1690, 1690. AE says that AE equal to Y, so Y equal to 1690 plus point Y. So you have 2Y here. So Y is simply Y minus 0.6Y equal to 160. So Y is actually 160 divided by 0.4. Correct? Should be the answer should be the same. The answer should be the same. If difference, there's something wrong with the calculation. Okay. Alright, we move to the next question. Now we want to draw a leakage approach, injection leakage approach. Okay, you can draw the AEY approach. Okay, boleh dua. Kalau dalam case ni satu sajalah kan. Boleh dua. Okay. Okay, it should be straight line. Should be straight line. Sorry, my mistake. Should be straight line. Okay. It should be because you have the okay, to draw the injection leakage approach. So you have a saving, which is the intercept for saving. Okay, go back to the intercept for saving, which is minus 640. So you have you have the value of minus there. So it means that so you have the you have somewhere below than 0, right? Something below than 0. Okay, you have the here you have the I plus G is your injection, and S plus T is your leakage. Alright, you go back to the okay, where's your injection? Injection is not a function of y, so it is y. It's the horizontal line axis is y. Okay, part C mendata itu y. Okay, it's not a function of y. Okay? Your injection is not a function of y. So you have somewhere here. It could be somewhere here. Okay. So this is your injection. It's your I plus G, which is equal to 1250. And you have S plus T, which is equal to minus 440 plus 0.4 y. So the intersection between the two intersection, intersection based on this information, intersection based on JW approach. So intersection between J and W. So we determine the national income equilibrium. So this is national income equilibrium. This point is national income equilibrium. So you have the national income level where the goods market, pasaran barangan, goods market are at equilibrium. Okay, good market berada pada keseimbangan. So you have the y here. So your y now is a 4225. Sorry. Y equal to 4225. So this one is actually minus 440. Okay, minus 440. Okay, you can draw the second one. This is based on the AEY. This is a bit on AEY. So the horizontal axis is your Y, and the vertical tu adalah paksi menegak tu adalah AA. So you have this kecerunan 1 unit slope, which is 45 degrees. This one adalah Y equal to AA. Okay, paksinya Y adalah equal AA. Itu gambaran keseimbangan. Y equal to AA. Gambar keseimbangan sudah tentu paksinya adalah berkecerunan 1. So the slope of Y equal to A is equal to 1. Okay, equal to 1. The slope equal to 1. That means, so if you go if you see the slope for AE, here AE, this AE, you see that based on this the slope is equal to 0.6, which is extremely less, okay, than 1. That means the slope should be less than the slope for y equal to AE. But slope untuk slope y equal to AE is always equal to 1. Okay. Let's say macam tu lah, lebih kurang kan. So this is your AE equal to 169 1,690 plus 0.6y. Okay. So the intersection here, national equilibrium, national equilibrium, we determine the national income equal to 4225. Okay, how about this one? This one 1,690. So this slope equal to what? Equal to 1. So this slope equal to 0.6. So this slope equal to 0.4. Alright. So 0.4 is your MPS, right? 0.6 is your MPC. So MPS plus MPC equal to 1. Okay. Alright.